Samsung has big things planned this year. The company this year launched its flagship S23 series in February, and now the South Korean giant is gearing up for the launch of its two foldable phones, which include Galaxy Z Fold 5. The device will succeed the Galaxy Fold 4, which were launched last year. Recently, the complete specifications and design renders of the two upcoming Samsung foldable handsets were leaked online, and now a new report suggests the prices of the handsets in Europe alongside their storage. As per the report, via D-Labs, the Galaxy Fold 5 will be available in three storage models, 256, 512, and 1TB variants. These models will cost $1,899, $2,039, and €2,279 respectively. Yesterday, we got to know about the pricing of the Galaxy Flip 5, which is €100 greater than last year. Meanwhile, according to 91 Mobiles, a company that is close to Samsung, has told them that pre-orders for the 2023 foldables will take place starting July 26th, the same day that the Unpacked event will take place. And this source says that the upcoming foldable will be released on August 11th. That means that consumers in the country will have to wait 16 days between watching the unveiling of the foldables and getting to hold one of the devices in their hands. Based on all the leaks and images we have seen so far, the Galaxy Fold 5 is unlikely to pack major design changes over its predecessor. Samsung seems to have focused more on subtle refinements, including making the device appear thinner when closed and designing a zero-gap hinge. The device could potentially feature a 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display, offering a resolution of 2176 by 1812 pixels and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Additionally, it is rumored to include a cover display measuring 6.2 inches, also with a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 2316 by 904 pixels. The device will be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, combined with 12 gigs of RAM up to 1 TB of storage. Camera-wise, there are rumors of a rear triple camera setup with a notable 50-megapixel lens. The front camera is speculated to include a discrete 5-megapixel under-display camera on the primary screen, along with a 10-megapixel shooter on the secondary panel. If you fancy buying the Galaxy Foldables when it launches, consider pre-reserving the phones right now to score a $50 credit. So how do you like the pricing of the upcoming Galaxy Fold 5 from Samsung? Is it good enough to compete against other rivals in the market? Or Samsung needs to change its strategy? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Galaxy update, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.